In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Yahoo Mail. First, let's start by opening Yahoo Mail. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in the address yahoo.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. After you sign in with your email and password, you will be directed to your inbox. This is where you can view all your received emails. Opening Yahoo Mail is the first step in managing your email effectively. A clean inbox can help you stay organized and improve your productivity. Next, select the email you want to delete. In your inbox, you'll see a list of emails displayed. Each email will have a subject line, sender's name, and the date received. Click on the email that you wish to remove. You might want to take a moment to ensure that this is the email you want to delete. This step is important because once you delete an email, it will move to the trash folder, but it can still be recovered if you act quickly. Now let's click Delete, which is represented by a trash icon. This icon can usually be found at the top of the email list or in the email view itself. When you click on this icon, the selected email will disappear from your inbox. This action helps keep your inbox clean and organized. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your emails without feeling overwhelmed. Once you click Delete, you will notice that the email moves to the trash folder. The email will no longer be in your inbox, but remember, it's not permanently gone yet. It's still in the trash folder where it can be recovered if needed. This step is reassuring because it gives you a chance to retrieve any accidentally deleted emails, so don't worry just yet if you realize you made a mistake. Now let's talk about permanently deleting an email. Start by opening Yahoo Mail again if you're not already there. You'll want to navigate back to your inbox, which is usually where you land after signing in. From here, you will need to find the trash folder, which is often located in the menu on the left side of the screen. After that, open the trash folder. Once you click on Trash, you will see all the emails that you have deleted. It's important to check this folder before permanently deleting anything. Sometimes you might change your mind about deleting an email after all. Next, select the email you want to permanently delete. Just like before, click on the email in the trash that you wish to remove permanently. Ensure this is the one you don't need because this action cannot be undone. Permanently deleting emails helps free up space in your account and keeps unnecessary clutter at bay. Now, click Delete again. You will find this option available in the same location as before. Clicking this will prompt the system to prepare for permanent deletion. Finally, click Yes, Delete to confirm. This will be a confirmation step, ensuring you really want to delete this email forever. Once you click Yes, the email will disappear completely from your account. This final confirmation is crucial because it prevents accidental loss of important emails. That's it. You have learned how to delete emails from your Yahoo Mail. Each step is designed to help you manage your inbox efficiently. Regularly deleting unnecessary emails can save you time and ensure you stay organized. Thank you for watching.